A fresh start, mastering the art of cleaning your tongue. Hello there, English learners. Today we're going to discuss an essential part of your daily morning routine, oral hygiene. More specifically, we're going to talk about the importance of cleaning your tongue and how to talk about it in English. Firstly, let's understand why it's important to clean your tongue. The tongue is a significant part of our mouth, and it can harbor a lot of bacteria if not cleaned regularly. These bacteria can lead to bad breath and other oral health problems. So when we talk about cleaning our tongues, we say, I clean my tongue every morning, or, it's important to clean your tongue daily. Now, let's understand how to describe this process in English. The first step is usually brushing your tongue. We can say, I brush my tongue after brushing my teeth. The second step involves a tool called a tongue scraper. To use this tool, you gently scrape it over your tongue from back to front. In English, we can say, I use a tongue scraper to get rid of any remaining bacteria. Remember, it's crucial to be gentle during this process to avoid hurting your tongue. So you might hear someone say, be gentle when you're scraping your tongue. When talking about how often and when we clean our tongues, we often use phrases like, I clean my tongue every morning, or, I make sure to clean my tongue after brushing my teeth. It's a way to emphasize the regularity of this important hygiene habit. And there you have it. Now you know how to discuss the process of cleaning your tongue in English. It might seem like a small topic, but remember, every step we take towards understanding and using everyday English brings us closer to fluency. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to clean your tongue. See you in our next lesson.